This is a cracker. 23 Orchard Road in Waihi. There's 3 things you need to know about this property which is stunning. You got a house which is a full-sized family home, all day sun. There's a massive barn full of your toys, your hot rods, your motorcycles, things that appeal to you, or a home business. And then there's a subdividable, full-sized 1,100 square metre section. This property is just over 3,000 square metres of opportunity. Let me show you around.
The kitchen is connected to the dining room, which flows seamlessly into the living room. The indoor-outdoor flow between the living rooms and the decks make this a wonderful place to entertain your friends and to read the weekend paper. There are 4 double bedrooms, a bathroom and independent laundry. In the laundry is an additional shower and toilet. Orchard Road is home to many premium houses thanks to its low-density residential zoning. There's a restaurant and cafe right next door, and the neighbours around are wonderful.
Check out this classic David Brown piece of history, holding the place where your Chevy should be. What else could you do with this barn? Spring is just around the corner, and very soon this will be one of the most gorgeous picnic spots in the street, maybe in the town. Why don't you come and take a look for yourself? I'm Darren Perry from First National.